In Central California, cars abandoned in murky floodwater marked the latest lashing in a long line of powerful storms. Intense winds and driving rain struck the storm-weary state, leaving tens of thousands facing evacuation warnings Wednesday. Another atmospheric river storm dumped water in parts of the already saturated southern and central California regions, which have been hit hard by a relentless string of storms that began in late December.
Sometimes there's drought and sometimes there's lots of rain.
Near the town of Boulder Creek in Northern California's Santa Cruz Mountains, Tyrone Clark and his neighbors cleared fallen trees from the road with their own chainsaws, directing traffic around downed power lines.
This is one of the top ones. I think in the 90s we had some that were like this. But I think the trees are just bigger now and not handling the weight. And, you know, like this is the mountains. Like if you live in the mountains every 10 years or so, it's going to be hard.
The National Weather Service said the rain combined with snowmelt left much of the region under flood watches Wednesday. In Central California, floodwaters swamped houses, roads, and farmland, leaving spring crops underwater. The California Office of Emergency Services said Tuesday more than 14,000 people statewide were under orders to seek higher ground, with evacuation warnings issued for another 47,000. The rapid succession of Pacific storms during the past 3 months has created an abrupt reversal for a state plagued by drought and wildfires, a swing in weather extremes that experts say is symptomatic of human-induced climate change.